Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Comcast Xfinity Home smart devices connectivity step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Comcast Xfinity Home app is installed on your smartphone. Open the app and sign in with your Comcast account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Devices section on the home screen. Locate the specific smart device you want to verify. Tap on the device to open its settings. Check the device status indicator to see if it's online. If the device is offline, ensure it is powered on and connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Verify that your Wi-Fi network is functioning properly by testing other devices. If your Wi-Fi is working, try rebooting the problematic smart device. Unplug the device from the power source for about 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Wait a few moments for the device to reboot fully. After rebooting, check the device status in the Xfinity Home app again. If the device still shows as offline, ensure it is within range of your Wi-Fi router. Consider relocating the device closer to the router if necessary. For additional troubleshooting, verify that your app is updated to the latest version. If issues persist, refer to the device manual for specific connectivity instructions. You may also contact Xfinity customer support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.